Have you ever noticed or wondered if someone reported your Instagram account? While Instagram doesn't notify you directly when someone reports you, there are signs and steps you can take to find out if your account might have been reported. Today I'll show you how. First, open the Instagram app and go to your notifications. Instagram will sometimes notify you if they've taken action on your account due to a report, like removing a post that violates the guidelines. Next, review your recent post and story. If Instagram removes any content,
This is the
then
best way to keep your
notify
white clothes white and bright.
Look for any missing posts or stories that might have been removed for violating guidelines. Go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings. Then look for account status or support inbox. Here you can see if there are any warnings or action taken against your account. Instagram often sends emails if they've taken action on your account. Check your email box and spam folder for any messages from Instagram about policy violations or content removal. If you notice any actions taken against your account, review Instagram's community guidelines to understand what might have caused the report. And that's it. While Instagram doesn't directly notify you if someone reports your account, these steps can help you identify if any action has been taken against your account.